Oh, here's a phone for sure. There's a phone. There we have it. EX23HYH. Scrolling, I saw some Arabic text. He's scrolling through pictures. Hello there, sir. Oh dear. Good afternoon, sir. You're not meant to be using your phone, are you?
Mate, I'm sorry. I'm just looking at a picture.
I know you can't.
I'm sorry, man.
No problem. You have a good day.
You not report me, will you?
I always report everybody.
Oh, please don't, mate. I'm gonna lose my license. Please, I really.
Okay.
Really,
You've got to do better, man. If you got points already, have you?
I've got about 8 and 9. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please.
I get you, but please don't beg. It only makes us both degraded.
Will you not give me points?
I can't do anything. It's not up to me. I'm just an ordinary member of the public.
Send it over though.
I can't deal with you any more longer, sir. And you know what? If I'm reporting anyone, the thing is, somebody who's got points and who's not learning his lesson and is still doing that kind of thing, is not being taught by his previous brushes with points. So